Hello, I am Tansy Kadoe. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist. I'm very honored to be a part of the conference, Our Flourishing, Our Faith, Navigating Rupture and Repair in Asian American Communities. In the workshop that I will be leading, I will draw from both my cultural roots in the current ethnic community of Burma, also known as Myanmar, and my clinical experience. Together, we will explore family ruptures that happen when family members are pulled between being true to themselves, staying loyal to family and community, and carrying the weight of the cultural and historical forces that have impacted their lives. These tensions can quietly disrupt roles, fracture trust, and strain connection, often across generations. And so for parents, leaders, teachers, and pastors, how do we recognize this fragmentation, and how do we create space guided by God's grace for greater congruence, repair, and healing? Well, this conference offers space for us to sit with these tensions in faith and to imagine new possibilities for repair, healing, and healthier connection. I invite you to join us at our Flourishing Conference happening on April 10th and 11th, 2026 at Biola University in Mirada, California. I hope to see you there.